One of the films that I was waiting to watch for the last 40 years has released called He-Man.
You are my He-Man. You're a he, you're a man.
Skeletor laughs exactly like you.
I don't laugh like that. चुप कर, ये नहीं कर, वो मत कर. Don't be lame, don't be this. Why don't you do this spot alone? I don't know, something is happening to me. I feel like I'm possessed by Nikki. Nice transition.
Yeah. बट मेरे को अगर वो वेन्स में स्प्लिट्स विला 19 नहीं जाए 20 मिनट
नींद नहीं आती.
हाँ मतलब कचरा कुछ तो कचरा चाहिए ना.
ऐसा नहीं, मैं किसी और का हाथ पकड़ रही थी, मैं तेरा हाथ पकड़ रही थी और इसने बोला नो 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 डू होल्ड माय हैंड, ऐसे मारा मुझे. People who watch horror movies dealt with COVID better.
What would you wish for? Make me win
I would
election.
want the end of capitalism.
Is there a fear you've never fully outgrown?
Abandonment.
Oh shit, deep मार दिया तो कट
Trust.
हमने.
कुछ होता है राहुल, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
पिक्चर खत्म हुई, हमने देखा राइट और मैडम इज गॉन.
मैं चली गई हीमैन के यूनिवर्स में. ऐसे कैसे? You have this wicked, crooked, weird smile of yours.
Why? Are we rolling?
Oh, we're rolling.
So guys, usually क्या होता है, every time we start an episode तुम बड़े हाई मूड में होते हो और बकचोदी वाले मूड में होते हो. आज मैंने सोचा था कि हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. We've seen a lot of movies in the last week, so we thought we'll discuss those movies. I had started my run order thinking कि हम Obsession से start करेंगे discuss करना, because we enjoyed watching Obsession together.
पर हम obsession से start कर सकते हैं.
but
discuss
I just
करना.
want to
I think
say-
you have jumped too quickly.
Okay. I just want to tell people that usually you come with very high energy, and abhi before we were rolling, Ismi just came and just sat with like,
I didn't make that face.
you were just sad, okay? And I was like, what the fuck happened? And she's just like, because we were also going to discuss मैं वापस आऊँगा. So, and of course, Ismeet has in the day started reading more about the partition. And
Bad idea.
before we start, whatever we start, I also want to give you one more news, which is very connected to our industry. कल रात को मैंने न्यूज़ पढ़ी कि ये Amazon अपना उस पे बना रहा था पिक्चर, सैम ऑल्टमैन पे बायोपिक बना रहा था with Andrew Garfield and all, like proper heavy hitters.
Cute.
Okay, cute.
But it's nice.
हाँ, and अभी क्या हुआ है Amazon
Was
ने?
he the same social network actor ना?
Yes. He was
तो
the one who played the
वो
best
मतलब
friend.
पूरा इंटरनेट सारे जो भी इंटरनेट गाइज होंगे वो he will be played by Andrew.
Yes, and apparently it wasn't a very flattering portrait. No shit. तो हुआ क्या है कि अभी Amazon ने ना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया है OpenAI में 50 बिलियन की.
Oh.
So अब क्या हुआ है?
Positive दिखाएंगे.
नहीं बहन, पिक्चर इज शेल्व्ड.
Picture is shelved because obviously you can't show any positive.
मैंने यही सोचा, रात को मैंने न्यूज़ पढ़ी, Amazon has shelved a project for political reasons. I have never heard that before.
Do you want to give context,
सबको
Gursimran?
पता है, जिस if you know you know. हर एपिसोड में तो हम बात करते हैं इस चीज की. मैं ढिंडोरा पीट के थक नहीं चुका
हो
हूँ.
सकता है कि some people have found you just recently, like in the last 1 or 2 years. They might not have the context.
I would like to give them context. प्लीज हमारे बाकी के आप एपिसोड्स आप देखिए.
आपको समझ आ
आपको
जाएगा.
समझ आ जाएगी. मैं anyway हर चीज में रोता
Gursimran का
हूँ.
शो Amazon ने shelve किया था because of political reasons. So yeah.
A
How
breathing
has your
update.
life been in the last 1 month? Your
I
nation wants to guess is finally like the season 1 is over.
Season 1 ओवर, इतना खत्म हुए
पर
टाइम.
हमने बात नहीं करी उसके बारे में, I think on the pod. कि
कर तो
अब-
लिया.
Now what has life been like after the end?
I will tell you the most exciting thing that has happened in my life in the last 1 month. The most exciting thing that has happened is that one of the films that I was waiting to watch for the last 40 years has released, called He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. And I asked you कि He-Man देखने चलेगी? You're like, मेरे को भी देखना है, क्या है ये, whatever. But मजा आ गया. Luckily I caught it. I went alone because तब तक 2 हफ्ते हो चुके थे पिक्चर रिलीज हुए. मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला. जो मैं सेकंड लास्ट डे गया हूँ, वहां पे मैं और 4 और बुढ़े 40 साल के, ठीक है, मेरी जनरेशन के, जिन्होंने हमने छोटे होते देखी हुई है. मजा आ गया. तुम तो गजब बोर होते. You would have fucking been like, what is this?
कितनी लंबी मूवी थी?
It was too long. It was 20 minutes too long. It was the most
कितनी run time?
2 hour 30 minutes or so.
What?
2 hour 20 minutes or something. Yeah, it was very long. ठीक है. So I had a great time.
So you're seeing an action, this action hero है ना, He-Man?
Yeah.
Have
एक minute. What do you think He-Man is?
Action hero.
Action hero.
Toy.
It's a toy, yeah.
You told me this is a
Yes,
toy.
I told you.
He really forced me. Smith is important to me.
If
Can I
I-
show you one video? I was like, हाँ दिखा यार.
Which
एक
also you
video.
did not see properly.
I saw.
The He-Man video I showed her was when he does the transformation from Prince Adam to He-Man. which is when he goes by the power of Grayskull and I have the power. Okay.
करके दिखा.
मैं करके दिखाऊं तुम्हें by the power
You
of
are my He-Man. You're a he, you're a man. And you are mine. So you're my He-Man. Is there a she-woman?
No, but there's a She-Ra.
She-Ra.
There's
Why
a She-Ra,
she-
which is a different character.
Same universe.
Same universe, connected
there in the
universes.
He-Man movie
No, it's not
also?
in a He-Man movie, but there are tied universes. And then there is the best friend slash potentially love interest who's also a warrior goddess called Teela.
Teela.
Teela. So
He-Man, She-Ra, Teela.
तुम्हें
It's sounding like कोई कुछ नहीं कुछ होता है.
Why?
राहुल, अंजलि, टीना.
This is not a love triangle, brother. It's a different fucking film.
That is तो boring ना. अगर love triangle होता मैं और interested होती कि चल.
तुम्हें He-Man के बारे कुछ भी पता लाइफ में?
नहीं यार तू बता ना मुझे.
तो He-Man का मैं तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. He-Man क्या है? He-Man is the character. ठीक है? It's a universe called Eternia. ठीक है? Eternia is this gorgeous part of the universe which is ruled by King Randor.
Universe.
King Randor rules it. ठीक है? With his wife, I'm forgetting the mother's
Of course,
name.
why would you remember the mother's name?
Listen, उसका
लड़कियों को
एक्शन.
कहा ही कौन इम्पोर्टेंस देता
किंग
है.
रैंडोर और मदर का कैरेक्टर भी नहीं मिलता था टॉय. ठीक है, बाद में पता चला हमें कि एग्जिस्ट भी करते हैं. ही मैन इज देयर सन इज प्रिंस एडम. ही इज व्हेन ही इज यंग ही इज कंसिडर्ड अ वीकलिंग एंड एवरीबॉडी बिकॉज his actual real superpower, which I was really happy with in He-Man, right? It was a product of the 80s, so everybody used to think of it as it's just about strength, it's about power. But cartoon के end में ना वो एक public service announcement देके आपको एक life lesson भी देते थे.
Dude, Simran, we need to do this with our pods.
What?
Every episode should end with, remember kids, wake up in the morning and say hello to the sun like the Teletubbies did. Something like this.
Teletubbies, fuck Teletubbies, वो कहाँ से आ गए? बकवास से
यार, कि मुझे
He-Man की यूनिवर्स में घटिया कैरेक्टर्स मत डालो तुम. Anyway,
Teletubbies were very joyful
Whatever,
characters. They're
whatever.
actually teaching us the meaning of life.
Do you
If
know
only we could
Teletubbies-
learn from Teletubbies.
do you know Teletubbies are banned in a certain countries, in a few countries if you Google, because they are considered to be promoting homosexuality.
Shut up.
Yes,
These
Google
are not
this.
sexual beings. I mean, we all are sexual beings.
हाँ.
But Teletubbies are
I don't want to imagine Teletubbies
We will
having
come back
sex.
to it. I am writing Teletubbies because a lot of people ask us कि ये दोनों क्या किताबें लेके क्या बैठ जाते हैं. हम
एक
इसलिए
मिनट.
बैठते हैं ताकि हम अगर digress करें जो मैं ज्यादा digress करती हूँ तो so we know that we have to come back to a topic.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये देख, Poland targets
हम
gay
आएंगे
Teletubbies.
Teletubbies पे. पहले हम
Okay.
He-Man खत्म कर लेते हैं.
Anyway, so Prince Adam, who is the Eternia, there is a bad guy called Skeletor. Okay, and if you will actually love Skeletor because Skeletor laughs exactly like you.
चुप
Skeletor
कर जा.
laughs exactly.
चुप कर जा.
Wait minute, मैं ना 1 मिनट प्ले करके दिखाता हूँ. 1 मिनट.
Show me Skeletor. First, show me what he looks like. I don't laugh like that. It's cute that in every character who laughs, you find me in that character. That just shows that you love me. But I'm sorry to break this, Gursimran. I don't laugh like.
Do you know what
Skeletor.
Skeletor looks like?
No.
Skeletor is basically he's a magician.
Show.
Okay, he's an evil magician, and his face is only a skull.
So all the fat has melted from his body.
No, he's muscular, but his face is a skull.
Cute.
His face, cute.
He has chiseled face. I don't mind having a
Brother,
chiseled
it's a skull.
face.
It's a skull in a... What the fuck is wrong with you, brother?
I need to pee.
You need to pee? Where are you going in the middle of He-Man, dude?
1 minute, I'll be back. You hold this thought.
Guys, what the fuck, man? You're ruining my camera also. Skeletor is an evil character, and he is very sassy. Okay.
So I don't mind being Skeletor.
So even in the film, ठीक है, तो He-Man उसे बोलता है, why don't you come and face me like a real man? ठीक है, तो Skeletor बोलता है, first of all, I don't have a face.
He's very self-aware.
He's very self-aware, and he goes, B, I don't want to. ठीक है, उसका even in the cartoons, he was the most evil for the sake of being evil character. So even in this film, the good thing they've done, the film has too many flaws, we'll come to it later. But the good thing they've done is they've kept Skeletor the same. Skeletor is like, why are you such a bad guy? And he goes, because I'm the villain. That's it. That's his only. He doesn't have traumatic backstory. You're not trying to justify why he's a bad guy. कि उसके साथ बच्चे,
But Trump is also sassy like him.
Trump is sassy.
I was watching a video yesterday जहाँ पे Trump is talking, Trump and I think G7 में जब एक press con या कुछ हुआ है where Trump and Modi are sitting and
हाँ.
there are like these journalists, I think, from India, and they are like asking Trump some questions, and they are flattering him maybe. So you know that what you're doing is great work and this and that, and very easy questions पूछा. तो Trump मोदी को बोलता है, I like these guys, I like these guys.
अब देखो ट्रम्प के
Unlike my journalists in my country,
Oh
I
my
like yours. Yours better.
देखो अंजना ओम कश्यप भी पूछ लेगी ट्रम्प से कि आप आम कैसे खाते हो. एनीवे चलो अब एक एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू some names of characters. He-Man के
Oh my
characters.
God, ये तो क्या करके आया है?
I want you to guess. ये मैंने अभी सोचा है. I want you to try and guess what their names are. ठीक है, ये हम ग्राफिक डाल देंगे.
तू करेगा क्या?
मैं तेरे को फोटो दिखाऊंगा कैरेक्टर की, तेरे को उस कैरेक्टर का नाम गेस करना है.
How will I know?
Just imagine अगर He-Man, who's the most masculine, muscular, most powerful man in the universe, has a name called He-Man. ठीक है? That's the it's that's the level of.
Is that my hint?
हाँ, तो now
So even you guys can participate in this.
If you don't know.
This is Nation wants to guess का third round.
I'm really happy about. No. I'm going to give you this person. You need to guess who what is this character's name? Don't read it.
He also looks like a He-Man only.
No.
Monkey Man.
No, not.
Gorilla Man.
Gorilla Man is good. Close. You're in the same.
Orange Gorilla.
Orange Gorilla नहीं.
Blue-eyed Gorilla.
No, it's called Beast Man. So Gorilla was good. मेरे छोटे होते फेवरेट होता था ये कैरेक्टर. अब मैं तुम्हें इसका हिंट भी दे दूंगा. इसने अपना नाक
Penguin.
नहीं, इसने अपना नाक ढका हुआ है. आदमी नाक क्यों ढकता है?
Sneeze.
नहीं.
Mucus.
नहीं.
Smell.
Yes. अब स्मेल के अराउंड इसका नहीं, अब स्मेल और ओडर के अराउंड इसका नाम है.
बता दे यार.
स्टिंकॉर. ओके, आई विल शो यू. ये आदमी है, ठीक है, ये कैरेक्टर है. इसकी कूल बात ये होती थी कि इसके सर पे ना एक गोल सा होता था जिससे तुम ट्विस्ट करते थे तो शक्ल का एक्सप्रेशन बदल जाता था. ठीक है, तो इस एक कैरेक्टर में
ये ब्रीथ नहीं कर सकता क्या? Why is he in this costume?
कॉस्ट्यूम इज बिकॉज इज कूल. ठीक है, बट इसका एक्सप्रेशन बदल सकते थे आप एज अ कैरेक्टर छोटे होते, डिपेंडिंग ऑन की हैप्पी, एंग्री, सैड. तो अब तुम सोचो कि अगर एक कैरेक्टर
He's not in control of his own emotions.
नहीं, he is, but
should be a
depending on
woman.
his emotions he shows you that emotion. तो अगर लड़ाई हो रही है, गुस्सा हो जाएगा तो ये अपना विशेष गाएगा. अब तुम सोचो कि इस कैरेक्टर के अगर मल्टीपल फेसेस बन सकते हैं तो इस कैरेक्टर का क्या नाम होगा?
Rainbow.
न-
7 colors, 7
नहीं.
faces.
अगर स्टिंकी आदमी का कैरेक्टर का नाम है स्टिंकॉर, तो मल्टीपल फेसेस वाले आदमी का क्या नाम होगा?
Hypocrite.
नो, इंटरेस्टिंग. नो, दैट्स नॉट अ गुड कैरेक्टर. चल लास्ट.
Multiple. Ravan.
Oh, interesting. No. Interesting. No. Think 80s.
Multiple men.
Close. Many faces. Bro, I used to fucking have all of these when I was growing up. You know what the sad part about what?
Many.
Man-y
Not
faces.
many.
Many, that's the saying. But man-y. Anyway, bro.
But actually, technically speaking, ये गलत है. Face तो same था ना, emotion बदल रहा था उसका.
अरे मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि तुम ना मेरी 80s childhood पे shit मत करो. I had such a good time in this film. I had such a good time.
I'm happy to know that you enjoyed without me.
Yeah.
Was that the point? Do you think you enjoyed more because I wasn't there to pester you? Gursimran, what's happening? Gursimran,
Possible.
tell me, Gursimran,
This is
now
possible.
What's happening? Who is he? Who is that?
Possible. So that is possible. And they also, and there's a guy, last guy I'll show you, and then we'll move on to our more serious discussion. Okay. There is this. This is the guy.
This is something to do Panja Man.
Close enough. Panja Man is close enough.
Cement.
Cement nahi, but it is connected
Strong
to that.
man.
Imagine what they did, and they did a lot of jokes around this in the film also.
Masturbation.
Close enough.
Close enough.
Close enough.
Horny man. Stone man.
Horny man is good. Horny man is good.
Stone man. Big dick energy. Small dick energy.
इसको बोलते थे fisto.
हाँ.
So in the film also,
Shave क्यों नहीं करा भाई ने?
भाई ज्यादा मैस्कुलिन है ना, रणवीर सिंह एनर्जी.
अच्छा, okay. Animal. Oh my god. Ranbir Kapoor in Animal Park is the same look. Face देख.
As Fisto. Are you fucking crazy?
He has
Karthik,
this-
please put photograph of Ranbir Kapoor from Animal Park and Fisto.
You देख. You see when they show Ranbir Kapoor का last face
रहने दो.
before they are after the end of the first
रहने
movie.
दो. कुछ भी बोल रहे हो.
तू बहुत dismiss कर रहा है.
मैं-
मैं वैसे को ये बोलना चाहती हूँ.
मैं बिल्कुल तुम्हें yes and नहीं कर
Improv का
रहा हूँ.
rule.
मैं बिल्कुल
Say that. कुछ yes and नहीं कर रहा है. चुप कर. ये नहीं कर. वो मत कर. Don't be lame. Don't be this. Why don't you do this pod alone, brother? जो इतना ब्रदर करता रहता है मुझे, मैं चली जाती हूँ.
Anyway, let us come back.
From the He-Man universe to
From-
our small universe.
Which other films? Oh, which other films did we
No,
watch?
just because I did this, was it like a reflex for you
Yeah.
that if I have to do
I
this,
thought you were
should
showing me
also...
this. You were
Yeah,
not showing.
our universe,
Acha.
our small universe
Got
of that's just how we talk family and that's just how we live family and Gursimran Khamba YouTube family, which has no mention of Ismeet in the main channel name family, and but we still love each other family, and wow, let's continue family, and I don't know, stop me, otherwise I will not stop family. Tell me stop. I don't know, something is happening to me, Gursimran. I feel like I'm possessed by Nikki. Nice transition. To the next movie.
For those of you who have not seen Obsession, if you are living under a rock, and because India mein Smith, it has made some fucking 70-80 crore rupees, which is no other film is making that much. It is the story of a guy.
We are giving spoilers.
Spoilers.
So we are assuming कि अभी तक तो लोगों ने देख ली
देख
होगी,
ली
और अगर
होगी.
नहीं देखी होगी then maybe you don't want to watch it, so we might as well just tell you what it's about.
Tell you, हाँ. In fact, इस पूरे एपिसोड में स्पॉइलर ही स्पॉइलर है, जो भी हम पिक्चर डिस्कस करेंगे, except He-Man. उसके it is spoiler free.
क्योंकि स्टोरी नहीं होती.
स्टोरी नहीं है. करेक्ट, वेरी करेक्ट. ऑब्सेशन का लॉग लाइन बताने की कोशिश करते हैं लोगों को. If those who have not seen, Obsession is a film about a guy who is really in love with this girl, and then
Yeah.
one day he comes across a thing called
One Wish Willow.
One Wish Willow, where if you break the stick, you get only one wish, and it becomes successful. And he says, "Ki I wish this girl Nikki
Would love me more than anything in the world.
in the world."
Why the experience was so amazing was also because it was a movie that was unheard of. Like we hadn't heard about. Usually you go and you watch trailers and you are like looking forward to this movie, that movie. It just appeared randomly.
Correct.
And like we just woke up one day and there were all these reviews. Ke, oh my god, this is like this movie has made this many millions.
Correct.
It's being people are saying that it's the best movie of 2026. So I was very excited. And we went like we didn't know what the movie would be about.
Yeah.
तो हम बहुत unaware गए थे. So, and I think that was a part of the experience. Once you know what the movie is about, you start expecting something, and then you are like maybe getting that or not getting that, and that kind of also colors your perception of
Correct.
how the movie will be or not will not be.
Will not be. I agree. And I think वो जब hype cycle बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, like genuinely ये point है, because we were just talking to Karthik also, who's shooting the pod, where he was saying he's not seen the film, but the hype is so much, then the question is always like, will this live up to the hype? Whereas when we went early on in the cycle, जहाँ हमने mentally वो इतने hype का दिमाग बनाया नहीं हुआ था, हमने बस कहा था चल reviews अच्छे हैं, देख के आते हैं. मैंने लाइफ में कभी हॉरर नहीं देखा है. इट इज एक्सेप्ट वेपन्स वाज द फर्स्ट फिल्म जो तुम्हें याद है, मैंने ऐसे आंख बंद करके ऑब्सेशन
And
वेपन्स
weapons
देखी.
horror था नहीं.
Weapons was not horror and it had very funny moments. This Obsession was even funnier. It had even funnier moments. It is the first time I have experienced that, you know, जो community watch होता है कि
Yeah.
तुम collectively picture देख रहे हो.
Yeah.
Some experiences I have told you about. जैसे जब मैं लगान देखने गया था, मुझे नहीं पता थी लगान की, मैंने पहले भी बताया वो लोगों को. लगान देखने गया था, मुझे नहीं पता था लगान क्या है, और मैं फ्रंट रो में हम बैठे हुए थे, और फ्रंट रो में जब मैच चल रहा था तो बगल वाले लोग जो मार छक्का भुवन, राइट, उस लेवल की एक्साइटमेंट थी विच आई हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस. फर्स्ट टाइम दैट लेवल ऑफ community horror where people are fucking screaming in the hall together. I totally get it now. I totally get it has taken me a long time. I totally get why horror works. I still don't think I have it in me to go watch another horror film. I think एक थी, हो गया, and वो भी उसमें भी मेरी full फटेश हो गई.
But
That's
you
the
know, I
film.
think what the movie is trying to talk about is be careful what you wish for.
Yes.
And what if your wish actually comes true? What are the consequences of that? And through that, I don't know if the movie has intentionally tried to comment on, you know, the whole toxic love.
It has.
And etc. The consequences of being actually obsessed with someone. But it's amazing because everyone is now, you know, making their own theories, and everyone is reading into each and every line of the movie, and they're like making their own analogies and assigning their own meanings
Correct. To the film.
to the film, which is amazing. The filmmaker Kari Baker is actually a 26-year-old YouTuber, and this was his first feature. And bro, it's made like more than 100 million. अब तो मतलब
तो गांड फाड़ दी
maybe
भाई।
उससे 200 million भी हो गया होगा, मुझे नहीं पता. तो
Correct.
just the feat, just the story of the, not just the film but the filmmaker, the not just like wait, on and off screen both.
Yeah.
It's so fascinating that I think that also maybe adds to the experience and our judgment.
हाँ मतलब
of-
I think हमने cool ये था कि you know how when you watch an Iranian movie, the parallel I will draw is this. You know when you watch an Iranian movie and you love the movie and then you go back and you read कि they made it all in secret,
Fuck.
that they did not get any permission, and all the movies like that. This remind me
Which one was that we saw last year?
Seed of the Sacred
Seed
Fake.
of the Sacred Fake. Oh fuck,
Huh.
guys! If you haven't watched that movie, please watch it, and not just watch the movie, but go back and read the story. All of them mostly they had to flee the country, and the filmmaker was imprisoned. They had to shoot it in secrecy, but it's amazing the passion that some filmmakers have of just wanting to tell their story, and through the story even try to change the landscape,
Yeah.
the political and the social landscape of a country.
And in fact, even this year, another movie's come out, which I don't think you've seen, called It Was Just an Accident, which was made by Jafar Panahi. And it was the same situation, right? That Abhi, when the Iran war broke out, he had to fly back. And I think, so crazy. Anyway, the analogy we were trying to draw is कि in this film, we went in blind. ठीक है? It turned out to be a great film. Then later you read all the things that people have done and how they've made it, and they made it
You
in such
appreciate filmmaking even more. You appreciate the craft even more, and the dedication and the passion with which people operate. I don't know, is it just a thing that because we love movies that we like to, we have this ritual that every time we go and watch a movie, हम घर आके उसका reviews देखते हैं.
Correct.
Like we will just छापो YouTube, किसने क्या बोला है, कौन सा interview है, we want to just, I don't know, is it because we love cinema that we like doing this, or is it something that
No, I think everybody does this now. I think this is most people's thinking. Some people watch a review and then decide whether to watch a film or not.
We don't do that.
For us, it's usually, okay, let's watch first and then see what people are saying to see if it correlates to your this
and
thing or
also
not.
because I don't want to color my perception.
Perception of the
मतलब I
film.
want to, I might read like the two-liner कि
Yeah.
अच्छा यार ये movie है, because sometimes going completely blind backfires.
Correct.
But otherwise मेरे को लगता है कि वो bias कहीं ना कहीं से तो bias
आ
आ
जाता है.
जाएगा अगर मैं सुन लूंगी opinions क्या है
I
लोगों
agree.
के, या
I agree.
what's the consensus. But I just love it. And अभी जो when we're talking about Iranian movies and all, I had written this because it was very fascinating when you were asking me तूने क्या लिखा है, and I wanted your take
हाँ.
on it because we're discussing movies and cinema and all of that. And this question is something which I have kind of grappled with as a viewer of content. And I watch all kinds of content, and I think most of us do. But what is your take on this? When Munshi Premchand had said that ऐसा साहित्य बेकार है जो इंसान को reality face करना ना सिखाए और समाज को बदलने में मदद ना करे. So basically for him, literature is very important because, and it should criticize life. It should offer some criticism of life or art for that matter. Where do you stand with respect to that?
This is a very heavy question.
You're not
Like
ready for this.
I was thinking we will discuss obsession and horror bakchodi, but let me try and answer because it's a good question, and I feel like even you as an actor will grapple with this and might have already grappled with this. I, as a person who has made shows and films and even YouTube content, has grappled with this. Most people, when they try and create stuff, I would like to believe, create it with the right intention of wanting to say something, wanting to change something. This is what I assumed in the beginning of my creative journey, that you start by wanting to say something. You are a quote unquote revolutionary in your own way कि मैं ये बात बोल दूंगा तो शायद लोगों का change हो जाए ये वो. In film culture, in this, by the way, is the same in comedy also. That when we started off as comics, I want to do jokes that will change the world. I will change your
That was
perception.
your intention when you started comedy?
That's
Or-
how I think. No.
Or
I
was it a tool of just maybe venting and expression, and you don't realize, but you just start
Correct.
influencing people in certain direction?
Correct. I feel there are. I'm trying to unpack where to start from.
Yeah.
I will say, even in comedy, when all of us started, it was, we all start with a let's change the world mentality. Then you hit the reality of
Are you
the
sure
business.
everyone starts with let's change
Not
the
everyone.
world?
I'm saying I would like to believe. I
Yeah.
would like to believe. But also, just doing political does not mean you're changing the world also. No, that
Yeah.
is the wrong way of looking at it. Again, I'm trying to unpack in my head, so just bear with me for 10 seconds because I might meander.
Okay.
When you make any piece, you would like, I would imagine that you would like your piece, whether it's comedy, whether it's music, whether it's something, to be really personal or try and say something. I've realized when you as an individual enter a system of creation, in comedy it is the comedy system. As a filmmaker, it is the film system. It is always divided amongst people who have the right intention, people who don't have the right intention, people who are just making a quick buck, etc., etc. So what you want to do always clashes with the reality of the system. ठीक है? तो आई फील समवेयर और द अदर यू चेंज. जैसे फिल्म साइड में अभी भी ये होता है कि यू नो जो ये कहने की बात है, पहले मैं भी बड़ी जजमेंट से आता था. पर्सनली आई यूज्ड टू कम विद जजमेंट कि आई यूज्ड टू ओनली थिंक, ओ because you're trying to say something, that art is superior because you're trying to say something, versus art that is not superior, like in the sense highbrow cinema, lowbrow cinema, political comedy, non-political comedy. मेरे को लगता है अब मैं इतनी वो जजमेंट नहीं रखता हूँ दूसरों पे.
So you're saying that the statement inherently has a judgment attached to it when you are saying that ऐसा साहित्य बेकार है जो इंसान को reality face ना कराए या बदले नहीं.
I'm saying I believe this statement. I'm saying I used to agree if I was agreeing with this 100% in my creation journey when I started. Now I'm dropped to basic. Okay, people who don't believe this statement, I don't judge them anymore.
Sure.
I still believe it. When I started out, I used to judge everyone who didn't believe this. All art used to be meaningful. Then you're like, actually, no, all art doesn't need to be meaningful. So, like, for example, I will enjoy, not in real life, but I will not judge a house full 5. Though I will have problems with it, etc., etc. I will not judge the people enjoying it. कि ठीक है. I will maybe judge the people making it a little bit, but ठीक है. The only thing I feel you can do is you make what you want to make and you make yours sincerely. If that wants to, अगर तुम्हारी जो हमारी भी टीम्स बोलती होती थी जब हम गवर्नमेंट भी बनाया था या कुछ भी बनाया था, everyone used to say this only है कि इतना चुल क्यों है कि everything needs to say something, that everything needs to be stand for something. तो they were right only in a way कि ठीक है, I can choose what I make.
I have always thought about this statement or the subtext of it, and I don't know where I stand when it comes to this fully. But I don't know if the intention, like maybe when you started doing comedy, you started with that intention of मुझे कुछ कहना है या मुझे देश बदलना है. Like if I know your story, it was you were angry and you started writing.
Yeah.
I don't think that came with the intention of अच्छा ये इसका वो बन जाएगा. वो तो हो गया. Because your expression was maybe so personal that it hit a chord with a lot of people who were probably feeling the same thing.
Sure.
Which I think is the purpose of art. That though I think I was watching a podcast by a philosopher's maybe interview. And he talked about that's what great artists do. And when does art become great is when you are saying something which for you is something which is so personal, but that other people are not able to say it. But you put a feeling, you give words to a feeling that is felt by many, and those people are not able to express it, and suddenly they see it, and you are normalizing a feeling, and a person feels belonged, a person feels heard, a person feels seen, and that is what makes all the difference.
Yeah.
So I think that is what makes great art. वरना वो relatability ही होती है. So I think maybe your journey, I don't know if it was about कि मेरे को देश बदलना है, but it was more about कि यार this is what I'm feeling, and it found a huge audience, and then maybe you started thinking कि okay, people are resonating, I need to make content which resonates more with people or which can change the world or the country or the politics or whatever. I don't know.
Correct.
When I started, मेरे तो it was a tool of expression in terms of my acting, because I feel like because I am a person of many emotions, it gives me a vent. Like when I'm acting or now when I'm writing or expressing, it's just for me to process my emotions. And in this journey, I have also realized that the more I'm expressing, the more I'm realizing that there are so many other people who are probably feeling what I'm feeling, but वो express नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Something which comes very naturally to me is I'm now realizing that it doesn't come as naturally to other people.
Sure.
So that's how it starts. बट वो उस इंटेंशन से तो नहीं होता दैट कि मेरे को रियलिटी फेस करानी है लोगों को. मे बी इट हैपन्स फॉर अदर पीपल. बट मेरे को ये ज़रूर लगता है व्हेन ही सेड ना कि समाज को बदलने में मदद ना करे. आई थिंक इनडायरेक्टली ऑल आर्ट, एनीथिंग दैट यू आर पुटिंग आउट देयर, समाज को बदलता तो है. वेदर इट्स गुड आर्ट, बैड आर्ट. अब गुड और बैड भी क्या है मुझे नहीं पता हाउ यू डिफाइन, बट मुझे लगता है वो बदलता तो है. एनिमल अगर आया, इतना डिबेट हुआ वेदर इट्स गुड और बैड. I think the creative freedom should be there. He can make whatever he wants to make. But वो बदलेगा ना. वो कुछ ना कुछ तो for people जो देखेंगे, either you are normalizing that behavior or you are saying that the behavior is not nice. But कुछ ना कुछ तो बदलता है, no matter, even if it is brain rot and you're watching brain rot.
Correct.
It will change something in the small audience that watches your content.
Agreed. Like I feel so. It's interesting because you mentioned brain rot. Like for example, I myself, at the end of the day, तेरे को भी पता है, I myself at the end of the day need that 30 minutes of brain rot just to wind my brain down. Now, as a creator, earlier I used to fully judge brain rot कि क्या है, ठीक है. बट मेरे को अगर वो वेन्स में स्प्लिट्स विला 19 नहीं जाए 20 मिनट
नींद नहीं आती.
हाँ मतलब कचरा, कुछ तो कचरा चाहिए ना. आप 24 घंटे तो आप ऑन हो नहीं
But
सकते.
वो अब तो तेरे लिए कचरा है. You know, a lot of people can be watching Splitsvilla and maybe getting influenced by that also.
Yes, and for a lot of people, हमारा काम कचरा है because they don't connect with it. So which is why I'm saying it's fine. It is. That's what I meant. Ki when I initially started, I really believed that maybe too much, and it came from a too much of a place of judgment. I don't have the judgment anymore because I
कि
saw
वो
it in my
exist नहीं
behavior.
करना चाहिए is not your judgment.
No.
I think everyone has a liberty to create whatever they want to, and I
Yes.
think that I agree with.
Yes, and
Especially in a world where today there's so much censorship. I think I would love for people to just have that freedom and liberty to just
Correct.
do and stay. Every time we have to be like so filtered. ये नहीं बोल सकते, वो नहीं बोल सकते, हम live ही नहीं कर सकते. Like where is the authenticity then
correct. Agreed.
of humans?
Agreed. Now,
Why I also said this was because this only कि हम obsession देख के आए या whatever Iranian movie or whatever, हम घर आके जब हम read करते हैं तो it changes you, it changes your way of life. Obsession देखने के बाद it will make people think about, like I said, that whether it's okay, be careful what you wish for, or oh, I'm asking this person to love me. When I'm saying love me, love का मतलब क्या है?
yes, exactly. And then I think the director was on record, if I remember correctly, because again we are not so deep into cinephile land where we have seen everything. But he was saying that I wanted to make people realize that actually the more you watch the film, you realize the quote unquote hero is the bad guy because he's sort of trapped her in this situation, and the chances that he has to get her out of that spell, he still doesn't take those chances, right?
मुझे पता है बट मेरे को I know that इतना for those of you who have watched Obsession,
Yeah.
there was like बहुत सारे posts आए थे that amazing portrayal of a character of a toxic man. But I was thinking about it, Gursimran, that it's a wish which maybe most of us have wished for. I wish this person loves me. It's a very normal wish कि अब उसको नहीं पता था ये wish सच हो जाएगी. If I have to just be on his side, right? कि अब ये तो but अब again now उसका जो उन्होंने दिखाया repercussion of what actually love means, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो वैसा love wish कर रहा था. और वो बोलता भी है बाद में जब वो call करता है कि no, I don't want this obsessed love, I want a normal love. Although I do understand that other criticism also कि जब उसको पता भी चल गया था.
Yeah.
But the thing was he was so deep into it. Even when he tried to reverse it, he calls that helpline to say I want to reverse this. वो reverse नहीं कर पा रहा था.
He could have killed himself. He didn't choose to kill
भाई
himself.
आसान थोड़ी होता है. कल को अगर तूने ऐसी विश कर दी कि I wish Smith loves me more than anything in the world, and tomorrow I become an obsessed Nikki person, and the only way you can reverse it is if you kill yourself. Would you kill yourself?
I feel the genius of the film is what you
Yeah,
said, which is
sure.
ki every one of us has fucking
Wished
made
for.
a wish like this.
Yeah.
And then you're like, oh yeah, okay. How far does this go? Are you ready for it in the first place?
Yeah.
तो वो तो obviously वो जब तक आप extreme exaggeration नहीं करोगे, you are not going to be able to make
Hit
that
home.
point that you want
The
to hit
point.
home, ना?
हाँ. नहीं, आई एग्री। मेरे को लगता है कि फिर देन ऑन अ फिल्म लेवल, ऑन अ स्टोरी लेवल, अगर उसके पास मे बी देन इट वुड हैव हिट मी डीपर,
Hmm.
इज दैट I enjoyed the movie. I loved the jump scares. I screamed also in the hall, and I made Gursimran's life hell because he was refusing to hold my hand. We have posted a reel on this, but I was saying that on a story level, अगर वो दिखाते कि उसके पास option है, you have one chance of reversing this, and तब भी वो नहीं लेता वो option ना,
किया उसने, नहीं लिया वो ऑप्शन.
नहीं था reverse करने का.
मुझे लगता है कि द आइडिया ऑफ, ओके मेरे को भी एग्जैक्टली डिटेल्स नहीं याद आ रहे पिक्चर के, बिकॉज हमें देखे भी 2-3 हफ्ते हो गए जब वो मूवी आई थी, बट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई रिमेंबर ही हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड ही डिडंट टेक इट.
No,
नो.
he didn't have the opportunity. He calls and he says, "Okay, no, the only way is what you said is you kill yourself. Is the only way. And as long as she's loving you, how does it matter? You know, because he asks that person on call, is it wrong to to do this? And he says, "Okay, no, if she loves you back, then it doesn't matter if she's the same person or not." Which is great. Which is a great commentary that they're trying to make. Is that अगर वो बंदा आपको नहीं प्यार करना चाहता and आप उससे forcefully प्यार करवा रहे हो, is it still the same person who's loving you? You're changing the entire,
Correct.
you can't force someone into loving you. So I love those parts of it, and that's what makes the Bear's character so great
Yeah.
and so amazing. I loved the movie from a structured POV that you can see that the man is troubled and he's trying to find a way out, and in the end he loses everything.
Everyone
And his own
fucking
life
loses
also.
everything, dude. Everyone.
Girl, I was thinking about लड़की का क्या होता है movie के end में.
I hope they make a sequel, or I
Yeah.
hope they make some prequel. But you touched upon a couple of things in this whole journey of liking the film in the cinema hall. You have screamed quite loudly. You have tried holding my hand in the cinema hall while screaming very
It's a
loudly.
very natural thing to do. ऐसा नहीं मैं किसी और का हाथ पकड़ रही थी, मैं तेरा हाथ पकड़ रही थी और इसने बोला नो 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 डू होल्ड माय हैंड, ऐसे मारा मुझे.
मैंने एक मिनट तो अगेन मारा
Slight
भाई,
exaggeration.
स्लाइट एग्जैजरेशन
Sure.
भाई. एक मिनट, मेरी फटी हुई है, मैं पहली बार हॉरर मूवी देख रहा हूँ, मैंने लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखा है. तुम अगर मैं ऐसे करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और तुम अगर तुम उस मोमेंट पे मेरा हाथ ऐसे पकड़ रहे हो और तुम मेरा हाथ खींच रहे हो तो मेरे को वो दिख जाएगा ना. तो पहली बात तो आई वांट टू से कि इट वाजंट जस्ट यू होल्डिंग माय हैंड. पहले तो जब मेरी फटी हुई थी आई कुड टेल फ्रॉम 2 मिनट्स अगो कि जंप स्केयर आने वाला है या कुछ गांड फटने वाली है, तो 2 मिनट पहले ही मैं रेडी हो जाता था ऐसे ऐसे. ठीक है, उस मोमेंट पे यू एंड आवर फ्रेंड हु हैड गॉन विद अस आर स्टार्टिंग टेकिंग फोटोग्राफ्स.
नो,
हाँ, कुछ फोटो नहीं लेती. ये
नहीं.
देखिए
अपने आप को इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस
एक
मत
मिनट.
दे.
आई रिमेंबर यू वर डूइंग
Maybe I tried, but इतना अंधेरा था कि मैं क्लिक नहीं कर पाई थी.
Yes.
Also, you know what? For some reason, I feel like if you're going to watch a movie, and I feel the same about even eating khana.
हाँ.
Like I feel like I want you to experience the same joy or the same thrill that even I'm experiencing. और जब तू ऐसे आंखें बंद करके बैठ जाता है ना, I feel so sad कि यार गुरसिमरन एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं कर पाएगा ये जो मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हूँ.
I was feeling the same way about He-Man turning into He-Man.
But तू तो हॉल में था मेरे साथ में, तेरे
हाँ,
साथ
fair.
हॉल में नहीं थी. But I
Fair.
think this is great about horror, and I think no other genre is that how you pronounce the
yeah.
word, has the ability to create such a great collective experience. I think what you spoke about earlier.
Correct.
Pura hall, the whole hall joins you in joy, in sadness, in scaredness, in happiness. And the great thing about horror is that it's also a great comedy.
हाँ, of course.
The movie was so funny. The movie was an experience. It was a joyride. It was a हो क्या रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है? Like you are crying, you are laughing at the same time, and not just you, everyone together.
That is why they say, no, I think Jordan Peele का quote है कि horror is just comedy with a different soundtrack.
They're cousins.
Who?
Horror and comedy.
Yeah, 100%. They are
Yeah.
cousins. They are different soundtrack cousins. मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, ये only movie in life where अगर mid point पे या कहीं भी हमारे सिनेमा हॉल से कहीं से टट्टी की स्मेल आती, I would be like, it's okay, dude. I get it. You shat your pants. I get it. It's
No,
chill.
but I think there have been stories where people have had heart attacks and died while watching horror movies.
There have?
Yes, I don't remember the name of the movie. ये बाद में तू
ये
please
Google करता हूँ,
Google
हाँ.
कर एक second.
People dying of heart attacks in horror
Yeah.
movies? I didn't know this.
And you know, it's also a fact that I was reading some days ago that if you watch a horror movie alone,
हाँ.
तब आप इतना रिएक्ट नहीं करोगे जितना आप लोगों के साथ बैठे होगे, तब आप जो आपके रिएक्शंस आते हैं when you're watching with a group of people. So you react more when you're watching a horror
हाँ.
movie with a group of people as compared to if you're watching a horror movie alone. Another fact that I read about horror movies while Gursimran is Googling, and I
Huh.
can keep talking and yapping, is that there was something which said that people who watch horror movies dealt with COVID better.
What?
Yeah, because people who watch horror movies, their minds are always attuned to, solving problems or being prepared for worst case scenarios or anxiety driven situations. So they kind of dealt with COVID better.
Who has done this research?
Me, as in I Googled it.
Huh, you Googled. I'm saying you are fucking quoting some research, no, bro. Okay.
है ना? ऐसे
While dying of fright is usually an expression, extreme fear can trigger a psychological fight or flight response. However, deaths while watching horror movies are exceedingly rare. ठीक है?
है
ऐसा-
ना पर
Exceedingly rare,
पर
यार.
है तो ब्रो हुआ तो हुआ है
Documented cases हुए हैं. 65. Oh, India में. Conjuring 2.
See?
A 65-year-old man in Tamil Nadu, India collapsed and died of heart attack while watching the climactic scene in the theater.
बट मेरा तो ये सपना है
क्या?
मुझे ऐसा निक्की जैसा रोल करना है या हाउसमेड मुझ में वो है क्रीपी क्रेजी साइको गर्ल
Okay, moving on. I want to ask you if you got. I've written 2 hypothetical questions in our run order. If you got a one wish willow and you could wish for one thing, what would you wish for? Like I know if Rahul Gandhi gets one wish willow, he will say, "Ki make me win
I would
election."
want the end of capitalism. I'm done. I want people to live, play together, share, eat, die a peaceful life. ये चीज मुझे अच्छी नहीं लग रही.
ये ना वन विश विलो जो कंपनी है ना जो हेल्पलाइन वाले फोन कर रहेंगे वो कैपिटलिज्म के कारण ही बेच पा रहे हैं तुम्हें वन विश विलो ठीक है जो दुकान पे बिक रही है
मतलब जस्ट द होल थिंग यार लाइक हम लोग सर्वाइवल में ही अटके हुए हैं एंड दैट इज लाइक चेजिंग मनी चेजिंग प्रॉफिट्स कंपटीशन आई थिंक द मोर आई एम लाइक रियलाइजिंग थिंग्स अबाउट लाइफ आई थिंक हम लोग इसके लिए नहीं बने हैं.
आई थिंक वो 2 चीजें होती हैं कि कैपिटलिस्टिक सिस्टम में आप यहाँ विनर हो या लूजर हो है ना उसमें पर से कोई ग्रेडिंग नहीं है तो इज इट बिकॉज हम कैपिटलिस्टिक सिस्टम में विनर्स नहीं है इसलिए तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुम्हें
कोई विनर
लाइफ
नहीं है कैपिटलिस्टिक सिस्टम में. कौन विनर है? कब खुश हो आप?
ओ
कब खुश हो आप?
मैडम यू आर रेडी फॉर सोशलिस्ट रशिया जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको 45 मिनट
नहीं,
टॉयलेट
वो भी
पेपर
नहीं.
की लाइन में लगना
वो भी
पड़ता था एक्चुअली यू वांट
पता
टू गो
नहीं
टू द
यार.
स्टोन एज और यू वांट टू गो टू
I want to
caveman
be a caveman.
है ना यू बेसिकली वांट टू बी ही मैन एंड
हंट
शीरा
करो गैदर करो आग लगाओ सो जाओ बस.
ओके देन आई हैव आल्सो
बट ये मेरे को मेरे योगा टीचर ने भी कहा था कि सबसे अच्छी ब्रीदिंग एनिमल्स की ब्रीदिंग इतनी नेचुरल होती है. वो एक नेचुरल अपने नेचर में अपने रिदम के हिसाब से रह रहे हैं. हमारे ब्रेन ने हमारा दिमाग खराब कर दिया है. I think our biggest asset can be our worst enemy. And
That's a
that's
good
like
point.
we are our own. Because look at what's happening in the world now. I know like maybe because अभी हमने मैं वापस आऊँगा देखी है. That has been my best movie that I've watched. And maybe because yes, I was reading about some partition stories right now and the effect of people and everything else and then what's happening in the world right now. उसके सामने हम बाकी सबकी problems क्या ही है? मैं क्या ही wish करूँ? And it's still happening, right? Ukraine, Russia. Israel, Iran, whatever. चल रहा है. Wars are still happening. People are still dying. People are. तो अब मैं उसमें अपनी इस मोमेंट पे टुडे व्हेन यू आर आस्किंग मी आई कांट विश फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स.
तुम्हें पता है स्पीकिंग ऑफ कैपिटलिस्टिक टेंडेंसीज यू विल एक्चुअली लव दिस आई जस्ट रेड दिस स्टोरी yesterday oh Karthik you have to hear this too good they have made a app in South Korea for young people where you basically place an order उस पे आप कुछ भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हो खाना whatever but it does not charge any money basically because they've realized that people are so used to the reward mechanism.
Charge money for delivery or charge
No.
money for ordering खाना?
It's no, that's what you're not understanding. It's an app where imagine it's an app like Blinkit where आप वहाँ पे खाना भी है कपड़े भी हैं whatever. आप वहाँ पे एंड पे सब कुछ सिलेक्ट करो क्या चाहिए सॉस डालना है कपड़े लेना है एक्सेल. It's basically a dummy. So when you do press play, it will say order placed. But no order will be placed, no money will be cut from your account. It's a dummy app
Permitted.
to make you mentally feel like you've ordered something because they've realized that people are so stuck in this app ka dopamine rush ka award loop that they actually don't even want to spend the money and they don't even give a shit about that product they're buying. But it gives you the satisfaction of having bought.
I don't know though, does it?
Yeah,
Because
it's apparently
won't you
working.
be anticipating the order, the home delivery?
No, this is what they've realized, that people don't actually give a shit about holding or buying what they want to buy. Like that, if they had just slept off,
I
or
know
if that
it's
money had
dopamine,
not
वो
cut
तो
off.
है ही,
Correct.
but
It's your example of जो तुम बोल रहे हो ना कि late stage capitalism, I will wish for it to end. This is like one of those examples of you've created a system, you've created a problematic system, and now you've given that solution to that
how
problematic
old
system.
is the app?
पता नहीं, apparently recently मैंने कल ही पढ़ा है.
Because I would want to see if it's successful or not, and that you can only kind of measure after.
Correct. And उसमें वो साउथ कोरिया में वो
certain
बोल रहे थे
amount
कि
of time.
at a certain point at night it spikes because this is the time when everyone is hungry.
Bored, when you're bored.
हाँ,
Doom
this
scrolling, boredom scrolling.
बोर्डम स्क्रॉलिंग, आप बोर होके आपने कुछ ऑर्डर कर लिया, तो उसके ऊपर वो मैं वीडियोस देख रहा था, लोग उसमें सब वो चिकन मंगा के ऊपर हॉट सॉस भी चूज कर रहे हैं, सब चूज कर रहे हैं, दे नो कि ये नहीं आएगा.
पता नहीं, मैं सोचू अगर मैं ऐसे करूंगी तो मेरा माई ब्रेन आई विल तो गेट मोर सैड. अगर मैं कुछ महंगी चीज मंगा दूं, देन मेरे को माई नेक्स्ट थॉट विल बी ओके, या तो मैं फर्स्ट थॉट इज ओके यस लेट मी ऑर्डर लाइक अ Chanel बैग और व्हाटएवर. सेकंड थॉट विल बी ऑर्डर तो कर लिया, कभी आएगा नहीं. ओ माय गॉड, आई कांट अफोर्ड दिस. ओ माय गॉड, माय लाइफ इज
Oh,
हेल.
so you are saying it will make you feel poorer?
What if? Because if you are
Maybe.
buying, if you can buy anything, everyone will go on to buy like
Sure.
expensive things
Sure.
and things that are maybe aspirational for them. But it will hit. They
Correct.
will be hit by a realization that, oh fuck, I can't even afford this.
Correct.
And then, oh shit, my life sucks. Now what do I do? But what would you wish for?
What would I wish for? What's a good question? I think health for everyone in the family. I think health. I think if you have
Not wealth.
no, health is more important. Wealth is okay. We are that way. We are fine. I think health for your family and you. I think that is more important than your close ones. I would do that. मैंने इसमें मेरे को ये थॉट जरूर आ रहे थे कि इसमें मेरे को बस वो ना वीडियोस दिमाग में आ रहे थे कि अगर हमें स्केच बनाना होता ना, यहाँ तो
क्या थॉट बनाते हैं ना, सोच रिवील मत कर थॉट. लेट्स मेक अ स्केच.
अब लेकिन थोड़ा पुराना हो गया टाइम. ये मेरे दिमाग में था कि मोदी जी बैठे हुए हैं गाड़ी में, ठीक है, और मोदी जी के सामने वो वन विश विलो है, ठीक है, और वो ऐसे टक करके बोलते हैं कि आई विश आई विन एवरी इलेक्शन एवर अगेन, और साइड में गाड़ी में आदमी आके बोलता है सर ईवीएम तो हमारी है, टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो, आपने एक वन विश विलो खराब कर दी, वेस्ट कर दी आपने. गुड स्केच आइडिया नहीं?
You've never even given me melody now that I think about it.
अगर मैं तुम्हें मेलेडी का पैकेट दे दूं ना, तो मुझे बोलोगे ये क्या है, 1 रुपए की टॉफी, ठीक है,
ला
मुंह
के
पे
तो
फेंके
दे.
तुम.
इमोशन मैटर करता है. तुम नहीं समझोगे, सिर्फ मोदी जी ये समझते हैं.
वाह, मैं अभी मंगा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, अभी मंगा रहा हूँ, मैं अभी 10 मिनट के अंदर
Competing
मंगा
with
रहा हूँ.
मोदी जी.
यार मेलेडी बहुत महंगी है, 112 रुपए का पैकेट.
तेरे को पता है ना क्यों महंगी है?
क्यों?
After this, after he gifted it to Belloni,
मैं
Meloni, Belloni, तब उसके बाद महंगी हुई है.
अबे वो स्टॉक का प्राइस बढ़ गया था. वो भी बाय द वे बहुत फनी हुआ था. अपेरेंटली लोगों ने पार्ले के 2-3 नाम की कंपनीज व्हिच हैव पार्ले इन द नेम, सो पीपल एंडेड अप बाइंग द रॉन्ग पार्ले का स्टॉक. नॉट जस्ट द टॉफी कंपनी, देयर सम अदर पार्ले समथिंग आल्सो व्हिच दे बॉट. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू
बेचारा
दिस.
एल्पेनलीबे. मेरे को तो अच्छा लगता है एल्पेनलीबे आजकल.
एल्पेनलीबे अच्छा लगता है. ओके, कूल,
पड़ा हुआ है.
कूल.
हाजमोला was the best toffee though.
Is there a fear you've never fully outgrown? It's this only, huh?
Abandonment.
Oh
धोखा.
shit, deep मार दिया तो कट तुमने.
Trust.
यहाँ पे मैं सोच रहा था तुम छिपकली
Grief.
बोलोगे, तुमने abandonment और grief डाल दिया है. Holy shit.
We
If a
never
ghost-
really heal from our traumas and fears, do we? कुछ होता है राहुल, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
We
बताओ,
said-
what are you scared of? Losing me.
Yeah.
Abandonment, see? हम सब ये कि तुम हम सिर्फ ये हम दोनों नहीं, ये सब लोगों की कहानी है. Everyone at the end of the day fears the lack of love, including Modi ji. What? Nirav Modi.
हाँ.
Country didn't love him enough. Didn't understand कि उसे ऐसे क्यों करना पड़ा जो भी उसने करा. पैसे लिए या जो भी डायमंड बेचे या जो भी
Good
करा.
round to flip save. Okay. Now we have
The next movie that we watched,
The
which
next-
it has stayed with me the most.
more than obsession, more than anything.
Yeah, for sure.
Is it? I think in the last 2 months, is this the movie that you enjoyed the most or that impacted you the most?
Yeah, like I think in the recent times, I don't remember being impacted so much by any other movie, which is Main Wapas Aunga by
Yeah.
Imtiaz Ali.
Have you been an Imtiaz Ali like fan in terms of the other films?
My problem, like I said, is that I'm so new to the movies.
Hmm.
It's only in the last 2-3 years that I have started watching cinema the way I
Correct.
watch. I'm intrigued by filmmaking since I've become an actor. So I haven't watched a lot of Bollywood movies जो पहले आई थी.
Correct.
तो मेरा वो benchmark मेरे पास नहीं है. I did see Rockstar recently, in fact. I didn't agree with a lot of the movie, but I think he has a way of making some emotion hit you.
Got it.
Because by the end of Rockstar, I was very emotional. The songs of
Oh, you
Rockstar
were.
were so great. The songs. So he has the way he makes his films
So I
and the
get.
way he integrates these ganes in the film.
I will also say this only. I'm actually not a fan of the only film of his which I really liked, and even that I had problems with, was Chamkila. That was the only film which was on Netflix with Diljit. All the other films like Jab We Met, I genuinely did not.
Oh, I watched it. I liked it.
You liked Jab We
Yeah,
Met?
I enjoyed it.
Jab We Met, I genuinely have never understood the hype. The only way I've understood Jab We Met, it happened the other way. I just knew कि वो करीना कपूर वाला जो scene है, वो हर लड़की को monologue में दे दिया जाता है audition के अंदर.
Yeah, आज तक.
आज तक, and I'm like, ये क्या film है? Then I reverse engineered and watched, and I'm like, I don't get the big deal.
I don't know how I'll feel if I watch the movie again today.
Sure. But when you watched it at that
As
time.
a child, yes, when I didn't really assign any meaning to it and intellectualized it so much.
Sure.
I think the chemistry of Kareena and Shahid, the Gane, the character, it was new. That character of Kareena, the character of whatever her name was. What was the name of her character?
I have zero I don't
Geet.
know. Geet, हाँ, correct.
It was so refreshing to watch. क्योंकि तो maybe for those reasons, I don't know right now.
Possible.
I think उसका जो theme है, he explores a lot about love, unrequited love, unfulfilled love. That is such a, it's a topic which can make a person feel a lot of emotions in general.
It is a universal topic in the sense कि
it's
आप
a
20 साल बाद भी
universal.
बनाओगे तो उस पे
तो-
emotion आप hit कर सकते हो.
हाँ, because nothing makes you long for anything
Correct.
इतना ज़्यादा.
Correct.
As much as an unrequited.
Required, पता नहीं यार, even I don't know the correct
A love
pronunciation.
that could never be completed.
Completed. So I hear you, and I felt the same way. Like, so I know that Imtiaz Ali has like crazy fans, etc., etc. I somehow was never like, even Highway, the music was great. A.R. Rahman killed
Yeah.
it, and I felt like the movie was fine, but the songs did a lot of heavy lifting. Tamasha, I was never a fan. Which
But the
people
song, like
songs again great.
अगर तुम पास हो, I was just discussing this with Karthik also. Like we all listen to it till date,
correct,
and every time I listen to that song, something happens to me.
correct. But that's the song and not the film.
Yeah.
So मेरे को somehow, and even in fact, even when Chamkila came out, right, I was thinking about it. I said, am I liking, and I enjoyed it. I had some problems with it, but whatever. I enjoyed it. I
मुझे
felt
समझ
it.
ही नहीं आई.
Chamkila.
Because language was,
Ah,
it was
because of language.
very unclear. मुझे so I don't
Subtitles?
think नहीं समझ. I just could not follow it for some reason.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I was just in a very different state
Space
of
probably.
mind.
I think you should
हाँ,
watch it now. It'll make a lot of sense to
Maybe.
you, especially because it's about censorship, etc., etc.
Maybe.
So
maybe.
I found the fact that I found it very, so we grew up with Chamkila, right? We listened to the songs growing up, etc., etc. I found that find the irony very interesting of whenever there is a film around an artist who dealt with censorship, and then it comes on OTT platforms which do nothing but censorship. It is just the sign of our times. Ki imagine the amount of stuff day to day all of us as writers and creators have felt with platforms, and then you're putting it.
But then
The irony was very weird.
is it really a platform problem?
It's not a platform, it's a society problem.
It's a society's problem.
And what I love about Chamkila stories, it's the why Chamkila really hit home for me is the same issue in comedy, is the same issue in film, is the same issue in everything, right? And just in terms of artists trying to express themselves. But I grew up with that music, so I was like, of course, and Diljit killed it. Everything was fine. I really had a good time.
मैं वापस आऊंगा. What are your thoughts?
I feel now, from whatever 5-6 films I have seen, I feel it's his best film.
Yeah.
Okay, and just basis what you said, if I start analyzing the film, there are a lot of things that didn't work for me.
Yeah.
But it's not, I felt like, again, it really depends on what mood you're in and what you are taking to the film.
Yeah.
I have so much of a personal bias on a film like Main Wapas Aunga, purely because I have also grew up in a household in both Punjab and Delhi, have heard these stories much like you, probably growing up from our grandparents about the partition, that because that element worked so well that then you are like, ठीक है, I will, it's okay, in a way, अब तुम मेरे को गाली दोगे, in a way it is similar to He-Man for me. कि I know He-Man has problems as a film, but because it is my nostalgia and because I know when I'm going to sit for it कि मैंने enjoy ही करना है, मैं उस bias से आया हूँ, तो तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अब मुझे पता है He-Man, again, मैं वापस आऊंगा, it's much better film than He-Man. I'm just saying from my emotional core point of view, I felt it worked like that. What was your thought? I think you went in
for
blind.
Me, in general, yeah, I went in blind. But for me, in general, over time, I'm kind of letting myself. I'm trying to surrender to the movie.
Got it.
What I mean is that you know it. Like pehle, maybe last year tak, I've been very critical. Like I would watch a movie with a very critical eye. ये sense नहीं हो रहा, ये logical नहीं है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, वो क्यों हो रहा है, la 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 la. But I think of late, what I'm trying to do is that, okay, don't judge it. Let's not judge the movie right now. Let's just surrender and let me just see what I feel by the end of it.
Got it.
If by the end of it, the movie is making me feel emotions of happiness, joy, or whatever the movie is intending for me to feel, if I'm able to feel it, then I feel for me that is a good movie. And I think haven't you and I have had this discussion in some way or the other? We've had this discussion, right? And I feel कि अब कोई लिबर्टी, अब सिनेमा में बहुत लिबर्टी तो लेते हो ऑफ व्हाट इज दैट फ्रेज कॉल्ड सिनेमैटिक लिबर्टी, और व्हाट इज दैट डिसबिलीफ, सस्पेंशन ऑफ बिलीफ राइट. हाँ, सस्पेंशन ऑफ बिलीफ होता है. तो पहले मैं बहुत सीरियसली ले लेती, अरे ये तो थोड़ी होता है रियल लाइफ में. बट देन मे बी सिनेमा इज दैट ओनली. सिनेमा इज एन एस्केप. इट डजंट नीड टू बी रियल. यू नीड टू फील समथिंग एंड इट हैज टू टेक यू अवे फ्रॉम योर रियलिटी समटाइम्स. करेक्ट. एंड स्टिल काइंड ऑफ मेक सेंस बाय द एंड ऑफ इट. एंड इफ इट इज डूइंग दैट, फॉर एग्जांपल सैयारा, व्हेन द मूवी स्टार्टेड, मेरे को बहुत इरिटेशन हो रही थी, क्या चल रहा है ये, ऐसे किसको डिमेंशिया या जो भी उसको होता है, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. एंड आई वेंट विद सुमेधा, हु इज अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, एंड वी बोथ वर एनालाइजिंग द मूवी एंड हाउ and like क्या देख रहे हैं, this problem, that problem. But by the end of it, last 1 hour, we were not talking to each other. We were breathing with the film. And if you're breathing with the film, that means the movie has done something to you, and उसने अपना objective claim कर लिया है. Correct. And we were howling by the end of it, and that was so cathartic. And just a lovely experience. So अब now yes, even if a movie has flaws, मैं उसको वो aside रख देती हूँ. अगर मुझे मजा आ रहा है ना, Obsession also, I had like story level पे मेरे को flaws थे. मेरे को था कि यार ये edit भी ठीक नहीं हुआ है, उसका बहुत कुछ था. But by the end of it, I had a fucking lovely time, and I was like, okay, it was a great movie because I had a lovely time. And I have similar thoughts for मैं वापस आऊँगा. मेरे को नहीं लगता it's like the perfect movie or whatever from a filmmaking POV, but I did feel what I felt very strongly. It didn't matter because I think he has made this movie with a lot of heart.
Correct. I will say this. I wonder how much of it is because we are also so jaded by being in the industry. Like when I'm watching something, I'm okay because you know half the people involved, etc., etc. So then I think maybe it is also that bias creeps in.
मेरा तो वो नहीं है शायद. मेरे को I don't understand what you mean by that.
Like मुझे, for example, when you are going to watch a film, your brain, unfortunately, we are wired that way. अच्छा ये location है. Oh, this is. Achha, I really go like that because my brain goes into producer mind. Ki, oh, this is a nice location. Achha, this is cool. Achha, this is interesting. And that usually happens when the film is not engaging me. Because then you start looking at all the other shit. Then you start looking at the means of production rather than the production.
तो वही तो, अगर हम शुरू से लेकर एंड तक वैसा ही माइंड हमारा रहे, इसका मतलब है फिल्म ने आपको एंगेज नहीं किया है. बट इफ लेट्स से यू स्टार्ट विद दैट प्रोड्यूसर माइंड, बट समवेयर अलोंग द जर्नी आप रियलाइज ही नहीं करते आप कब यू आर वन विद द फिल्म. दैट मीन्स द मूवी has done something. Correct. Where nothing matters. Your phone doesn't matter. Your problems don't matter. Only the story of this protagonist or this character matters. And that's what the film did for me eventually. I was howling.
I don't know if we have the before and after photos. So guys, for those of you who know how emotional Smith gets during movies, picture खत्म हुई, हमने देखा right. और madam is gone. And gone, I mean gone to the point where, how to describe?
An out of body experience.
Out of body experience.
मैं चली गई He-Man के universe में.
तुम गए. She was gone. And I was also emotional at the end of it.
You were.
I was also emotional at the end of it, which is why, and I will say that after a long time, a Hindi movie made you feel something so strongly, no matter what the emotion. Just you know how Dhurandhar mein log really people felt rage or people felt this thing. Now that's one feeling that has come from one film. This hit home from the point of view of, because for me personally, and I think maybe for you also, because you are in my head, I'm not just imagining the character, I'm also somewhere imagining my grandfather. They are also Sikh characters. You can sort of draw parallels between your family and the conversations that you have had in your house.
Yeah.
So I think for particularly for kids of, and we are not even like my side of the family we were anyway all on this side of India, so we've not seen the refugee side of things. But because you've grown up with all these stories, I think that's why it hit home for like this generation a little bit more.
I think for me, what hit was this only, but in the other way, because like even my grandparents had to migrate.
Yeah.
But you know, the funny thing is that I don't think we've discussed it in detail
At all.
at all. It's a fact which we have known. But this movie made me feel so bad that, oh my God, you know, we've heard stories, but it almost became like real. Okay, oh my God, this is what it must have felt like. Even though I feel like on a movie level, they could have gone more deeper in the sense, in terms of we see it mostly through that wo love life ka angle. I was also I would have loved to see more of the matlab uska connection, the guy's connection with his family and what the family life was before partition, and then now it's after, and
वो फिर series बनानी पड़ेगी.
हाँ, maybe series बनानी पड़ेगी or whatever, but कि मैंने बात ही नहीं करी है यार. And oh my God, the kind of trauma that maybe our grandparents and ancestors have gone through, वो तो हम क्या complain कर सकते हैं अपने life के बारे में. And Imtiaz Ali ka, I was watching a video and an interview, and he had said that this is the last generation.
Correct.
इसके बाद the stories will go with them. You know, and
Already
how
going.
nice of him to take one story inspired by, I'm sure it's inspired by some real life, because this story is not just of this protagonist, it's a story of almost every second person who had to migrate during the independence. And then my second thought, हाँ तो एक तो ये था कि मैंने बात ही नहीं करी, and I'm like I want to meet my dadi now, and I just want to know all her stories, and I want to experience what she probably experienced, which was.
If you are, you know what is interesting about this? If you ask someone that you are making a partition story, I'm thinking purely as a writer. Or if you talk to someone, you're like, oh, I have a thing around the partition. Everyone's first thought is, oh, we've seen it a million times.
Yeah.
And it's a dated subject matter. Right? Because over the last 30-40 years, ऐसा नहीं है कि काम नहीं हुआ है. There are countless books.
Yeah, correct.
There are countless books. There are countless stories.
Correct.
I feel why this film worked is, one, like what you said, it has reached a generation that has not had these conversations with their grandparents. That's one. Second, I feel जितना भी कहो वो कम ही है in some way.
But वही तो ये same logic आपके Jews and Nazi वाले लोग देते हैं.
Yes.
बन रही है ना.
Correct.
And every second movie which or every series that we see, it still leaves you feeling the same level of hollowness and emptiness.
100%. Which is why, and 100% agreeing with you, which is why dated जो बोलते हैं वो अगर आप सही तरीके से बताओ dated नहीं है.
Doesn't matter, and everything that has to be said has already been said, right?
Yeah.
So everything क्या ही है, वही 7 emotions हम feel करते हैं, वही 9 emotions हम feel करते हैं. It's just about how we are telling our stories.
Correct.
And you're right that maybe like a person like me, for me this movie is like has pushed me more to know more about my own family, my own culture, my own country, my own stories.
Correct.
And I want to know so much more, and it's so hurtful and it's so painful, and you appreciate your ancestors even more, because वही बात है, हमने बहुत casual, हमने बहुत बार ये बात करी है, whether it's your BG or like my grandparents. They are the only generation, उन्होंने देखो क्या survive कर लिया, COVID तक survive कर लिया, partition survive करी है, the things that they have seen in their lifetime, and like I don't think we are
no
so
chance.
Comforted as compared, like.
Correct.
मैं imagine ही नहीं कर सकती what it can do to your own being, and I think उसका trauma अभी तक हमारी bodies में तो जिंदा ही है ना.
I think
some way or form.
it's so weird because I had gone home at home I'd gone home, abhi I'd gone to Delhi, so I was with BG for a while, right? So it's so funny because inadvertently, and this just happens now every time I go back, ठीक है? And this time I was there for like a long period of time. She always tells stories from her childhood. Always.
And it's actually her grief that maybe she's not able to, she's trying to make sense of, for all you know.
I wonder, I don't know how, see, exactly, I don't know. I don't know if it's grief. She tells only, my thing is, she always only tells the happy memories. Think about it. I was thinking about it. That she always tells the story about how they used to live in the village, all her friends, and now my grandparents, they were on this side of the border throughout, right? They were around Hoshiarpur, so they didn't have to cross. They were always this side. Same with my Nana. I was asking mom, right? Like mom and they were all always on this side. But I remember when what mom was telling me, ki when the trains used to come from towards Amritsar, etc., and where the refugee camps were, people from the family used to go give food, etc., etc. That's how they saw it. My bigger point is ki for someone who has seen this much bloodshed, and with my grandma, she always goes, she's seen 47, she's seen 65 war, she's seen 71 war, she's seen 84 in Delhi, right? Which is again, it's a different this thing, but it is an extremely scary time. Like I've had conversations like most Sikh boys and Sikh boys and girls in my generation about what 84 was like, because we grew up and we read. Now, ultimately, this and the kind of displacement even that caused, right? So just to bring it back to the film, the scene that stuck with me the most is the scene. Karthik, sorry, spoiler for you. The scene that stuck with me most was the Dolly Ahluwalia scene when the mob finally ends up attacking the house in the second half, and she's the one who's calling the girls one by one,
Yeah.
and and she's taking their own lives. This I have heard
Yeah.
was similar to the kind of stories I've heard about 84. I've heard about 84 in terms of the
No, even the partition, or just
even in the
84.
partition, exactly.
Like my grandmom, like my
Correct.
mom was telling us yesterday that my grandmom, her mother had given everyone these poison pills that if anyone comes close to you, just
Yeah.
take that poison.
Correct. And in 84, the context I was building was ki we've heard in our families, etc., that they were told ki this had also happened during partition. So imagine it's the learning from the time of the partition that if a mob comes to you, you would rather take your own life. I can't, that kind of like a situation, right? And now there are two different events, but you've taken the memory of
Yeah.
the trauma of
Yeah.
partition and you've built it there. And what I was telling you about BG is now, she never, and she also saw it in terms of the bloodshed. But as she's grown older, she's 100 plus now. She's 100 plus. She only talks about the positive
Yeah, but I
memories
think it's
because
the
you anchor
mind.
that. It's
Yeah,
it's
and
the
your mind kind of just blocks the
Correct.
bad memories, because how else do you deal with life?
How do you live?
How do you live? And I think I was reading an article abhi on like some story of some other person, and he was talking about his grandfather's story, and he was like, he never spoke about like what we saw in the movie where Nasiruddin's character tells his brother that ab wapas nahi jana hai, was the subtext ke now if we are moving on, we cannot go back to thinking about that life also, because how will you cope, and there is no way you can deal with that.
Correct.
And that's the story of a lot of people from that time. I think the mind has just blocked.
Hmm.
And it's so funny. While I'm talking to you, I'm thinking कि हम ऐसे fear of abandonment and all बात कर रहे थे. The kind of fear of abandonment, our ancestors maybe have in their bodies and in their beings.
Correct.
Because of this.
Because of this.
How can you... And yes, of course, it also then makes you think about not just about the partition, but then what's happening in the world right now.
It is amazing that despite all of the things that they have seen, that they have managed to not keep hate in their hearts for people.
यही मैंने भी एक चीज पढ़ी थी of this one old person saying this only that and it's a beautiful sentiment and it's true that यार ये हमारा motherland था. Motherland is not a shop जो आप दो भाइयों में divide कर सकते हो. And it's very nice if people are still holding on to that emotion.
Correct.
As that.
I also have this we got because you were telling me na ki you've not spoken to Dadi specifically about her stories. So this we got lucky. This we got Tavleen had done an interview with Dadi for one of her projects.
Yeah.
So she had
My
asked
sister.
her, your sister, she had asked her questions around the partition. This is about from 10 years ago, and we just sort of found this. She sent it to us. So this is what she had told Tavleen. So this is some oral history that we have documented. That during the time her family was actually living in Rawalpindi during the partition. Rawalpindi was when one of the major riots had happened and a lot of killings had happened. She was only in 5th grade that time and very young and did not fully understand the danger or political gravity of what was happening, which is sort of what they've done with Vedang's character also. कि ऐसे थोड़ी हो जाएगा, हम तो यहीं रहते हैं, what do you mean, etc, etc. She was just happy to pack up her dolls to take with her. That was her main this thing. ठीक है. Her family didn't actually plan to migrate permanently. They left Rawalpindi to attend a funeral in Amritsar from a family relative. They fully expected to return, but the moment they arrived in Amritsar, bombs went off, fires started raging, and intense rioting, which he describes as katta katti, broke out. And they managed to stay in a large house because her maternal uncle was a major in the military. So they had space here. They thought that they are going to be here temporarily. They started living in the servants' quarter, but at that particular point of time, they could not go back after the division. This is what Dadi said. She notes that her mother never left the young girls alone with anyone because there was a massive fear that mobs would abduct them. While her immediate family didn't see the physical slaughter firsthand, she mentions that a massive number of people were killed on the refugee trains, correct? जो उन्होंने movie में भी दिखाया है, which mum was also telling me कि Nana also used to go when the trains used to come just to be able to see who needs help, etc, etc. It was an incredibly stressful time for her parents who had to figure out how to rebuild their lives from scratch overnight. Her father was a tailor, bought a single sewing machine to start over. Eventually, when the business picked up and they started earning decent money, their neighbors started joking कि ये तो refugee लगते ही नहीं है. And like you were saying earlier, there's so many stories like that. So many. I think every household has a story. Every household in Punjab has a story. Every household in Bengal has a story. Every household in Jammu and Kashmir has a story in terms of how it affected and how overnight their families had to change. And I really like this line that Dadi has written because I think this is also it connects to the film also, and we've also seen that she highlights how protective her parents were, noting that despite severe emotional and financial hardship of losing everything, they never let the children see or feel the extent of their struggle. Yeah, at that time, if you just read about all the refugee camps, etc., they were there, and how people started. And a lot of these places in Delhi, Lajpat Nagar is a quote-unquote refugee colony. All these areas close to our houses are all refugee colonies where they all started. So I think, like you said, that sense of that the film did that of sense of wanting you to go back and explore your own family
maybe
is probably the biggest superpower I feel this film
for
has.
some of us, not everyone, I'm sure.
Actually, I'm wondering, I don't know, we've not spoken about this. I wonder if people who families have not dealt with this, how they take a film like this.
I don't know, because remember we were watching a review which was I don't remember his name.
Oh, Bhardwaj Rangan's.
He's from the south, right?
Yes. Bhardwaj Rangan's review, he didn't
connect with the movie
as much.
So I think like maybe because it hits home, but irrespective, because like I said, like I've not had too many conversations. So even though yes, my family has gone through something similar.
Yeah.
I don't know. I still connected because again, like I said, the movie was made with a lot of heart. And Naseeruddin, I have to also say that I don't know, he's brilliant. Like he's legend for a reason, and he has proved it in this movie. He is fabulous. Fabulous is also like the way he has emoted I connected more with the movie. I wanted to see his story. I wanted to know more about like his longing and etc.
There is one part of the film which I thought was a very interesting choice, and the jokes were very funny. but they fully didn't land was the Diljit trying to be a stand-up comic.
Oh, that didn't work for
That
me.
track. That didn't work
I think
for you?
Diljit's arc in general didn't work for me because I don't think they have done justice to his story. क्योंकि बहुत ऊपर से like वो peppering है, वो depth में दिखाया नहीं है, तो वो
Correct.
force fit लग रहा है कि आप
Correct.
compare करना चाहते हो उस time का प्यार और इस time का प्यार and all that. तो वो मेरे को connect नहीं करा, मेरे को कुछ भी about that
That
even
element
when
didn't work.
Diljit realizes end में कि मैं क्या chase कर रहा हूँ, ये वो कुछ hit ही नहीं किया मुझे. For me.
For me, so later when I was very curious when the film happened. I was like, who has written this stand-up? And because it seemed like a very particular style. Then when the credits rolled, I saw Biswa's name. Okay, so I messaged Biswa going, brother, so jealous of you getting to be associated with this film. What the fuck? And then the moment I saw Biswa had written the jokes, I immediately understood why. As much as I love Diljit and I'm a massive fan, Biswa's delivery and style is Biswa's. It's his style. Diljit cannot.
Suddenly, yeah, like if Biswa would have delivered those jokes, I think the jokes would have landed very differently.
100%.
Also, like उसको बनाने की जरूरत नहीं थी stand-up comedian.
I know, I get it didn't add to the film, but I also felt like it's an interesting choice to talk about something very horrific in a way that is slightly.
It didn't land.
It didn't land. I also Googled another thing, which was now this is the part we don't know. We've obviously read about it, etc., etc. Now, if I was just looking at, the part about the stand-up that I liked was that they were talking about stuff like the Radcliffe line, कि कैसे एक 5 हफ्ते में ही बंदे को आके बोल दिया. I thought that was a great setup because it's talking about the ridiculousness of the nature of the partition. कि क्या चूतिया तरीके से आपने partition किया 5 हफ्ते के अंदर.
Which is कि वो आए और एक line draw कर दिया. But actually, most of the partitions globally have worked like this. Happened
this way. But
someone comes, takes a map and just randomly draws a line and that's it.
That's it. It's like अगर आप अफ्रीका का मैप देखो, it's all these square lines, etc. It's literally that. But that made me Google what are other ridiculous things that got partitioned like this. I will tell you this. I think you will. तो एक वाइसराय की बगी होती थी. The British Governor General had a lavish gold-plated ceremonial horse carriage. Both India and Pakistan desperately wanted it for their heads of state. कि भाई बड़ी गाड़ी है भाई, अपने को चाहिए, ठीक है, gold-plated. ठीक है. To settle the dispute, India's representative Colonel Govind Singh and Pakistan's representative Major Shahid Hamid, how did they settle this?
Coin toss.
Yes, ये तुम्हें मैंने बताया था कल रात को.
एकदम से याद आ गया.
Yes, ये तो तुम्हें बताया था. अच्छा, तो हुआ बताओ क्या coin flip के बाद? The official carriage, India got the carriage. ठीक है, the gold-plated carriage.
Okay.
Pakistan received the Governor General's private train. तो gold-plated carriage हमें मिला. Governor General private train वहाँ मिला. हाँ.
Day one.
नहीं भाई, गोल्ड प्लेटेड. गोल्ड की वैल्यू देख रहे हो आज की डेट में. तब अगर तुमने SIP करा होता वो गोल्ड का, तो आज देखो उसकी क्या वैल्यू होती है. समझ रहे हो तुम? ओके, ये सुन, ये रिडिकुलस वाला, ठीक है. इन गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज एंड द इंपीरियल लाइब्रेरी इन कैलकाटा, ये दिस इज इन द बंगाल वन, everything had to be split 80-20 basis population. For unique items like multi-volume encyclopedia sets or dictionary that could not be easily replicated, officials divided them alphabetically. India got volumes A to K. A से K तक dictionary हमें मिली. Pakistan got from L to Z. Imagine. ठीक है?
That's a nice way of dividing. It's okay. Half.
Crazy.
कैसे करोगे और divide?
ये वाला देख तू. The partition of Punjab and Bengal happened in 47, but nobody thought about psychiatric institutions till 1950. Inmates of the Lahore mental asylum were abruptly divided by religion. Hindu and Sikh patients were loaded into trucks and driven to Wagah border to be traded for Muslim patients who were sent from Indian asylum.
Thank God मारा नहीं उनको, trade कर दिया.
Crazy. Then there were other examples. This happened in Bengal, okay? There was an elephant called Joy Moni. So the forest department of Bengal had to be split, which included animals. There was one highly valuable trained elephant named Joy Moni. Because you cannot split an elephant in half, officials calculated Joy Moni's financial value and matched it to a government station wagon.
What?
Yeah. West Bengal, which is India, took the car, and East Bengal, now Bangladesh, took the elephant. I'm just trying to imagine like being जो इन्होंने ये स्टैंड अप के थ्रू करने की कोशिश करी, रैडक्लिफ लाइन. जस्ट इमेजिन ब्यूरोक्रेट्स एवरीवेयर डूइंग this crazy level of division. इतनी interesting चीजें हैं ये. The more you read about it.
I also had like another cousin of ours, Sehaj's, Asmeet. She also had a story to share.
Tell what she mentioned.
She mentioned that it was her Nanaji.
Okay.
And he was around 10 or 11 during the partition. And while coming from Pakistan to India, the family got separated. The parents were separated from the 4 siblings. So the siblings were staying in the refugee camp in Amritsar. In the
Correct.
camp, to make some money, the elder sister made gajar ka halwa, while the brothers, they sold the halwa. 4 months after losing parents, the brothers were selling halwa in a bus. And that is where they found their parents.
Crazy, dude.
It was a very emotional reunion. The parents thought that they had lost their kids forever. But imagine kids so small spending so many months alone, being separated from a refugee camp. But this, even one more story that I had read was this something very similar, that of this man when he was 16 or something, and he was alive, but the parents thought that because he was in the train that he would be dead.
Yeah.
So he reached his uncle in India, and that's when, you know, he successfully managed to reach, and they were like, "You're alive." While the parents had already prayed for his, you know,
Oh, they'd done the
whatever the
last
ceremony,
rites
the last
almost.
rites, yeah.
I think that's, like I said, I think that's why all these little snippets in the movie that they've shown of Vedang Raina hiding with the family in the, you know, in the water, in the well,
ये सब सच है.
the trains,
Yeah.
all of these, which is why I was like, all of these snippets or parts of these snippets and stories you've heard, and which is why it is so emotionally affecting. I want to also say one thing, right? Like, again, we are talking about the partition here. There were stories of displacement that we have heard growing up in Delhi because of the displacement that happened because of 84. Now these were personal stories that I had heard. The stuff that I was unfamiliar with, genuinely, I don't think we've ever discussed this, is the displacement that happened in Mumbai. So when I was studying in TIS, as a part of our final film project, that was 20 years of the Mumbai riots of 1992, which were also riots that happened in the city. So we had to make a 30-minute documentary as a part of, and so our entire class, we got divided into different classes. All of us had to make documentaries on peoples and families that were affected by the Mumbai riots and how it affected their lives. And the thing that we are talking about right now is the same thing that happened even then, because parts of Mumbai that we take very easily, safely, ki Jogeshwari, you know how we always say, oh yeah, this is a Muslim area, this is a Sikh area, this is a Hindu area, etc. If you go into the history, so much of that is ghettoization that comes from trauma and that comes from displacement. And these same, जो उन्होंने दिखाया था ना फिल्म में भी, कि नसरुद्दीन शाह has almost gotten this emotional longing कि यार मेरा वो, he is looking at love, but the chota bhai is, I don't want to talk about it, that was a fucking hateful time. That's the kind of shit. He was taught that, right? That difference. We saw the same thing when we were going out as students talking to people in Mumbai.
Yeah, I feel that's what even I said, right? Like abhi tak ye ho raha hai, not just like 92 Mumbai.
Correct.
Or whatever, all the riots. I think the places change, the times change, but I think the emotion and the feelings and how we behave and how we react, that never changes.
Yeah. And how that affects a city's geography, or how it affects a city's people.
Yeah. And the culture.
And the culture and
After
what they choose to keep.
Yeah.
That you remain cosmopolitan despite it, or you remain not as hateful despite it. And I think you see these divisions everywhere. You see these divisions in your resident welfare associations. You see this division in your housing society.
Yeah.
You see the after effects and aftermath of all of these incidents. And I feel like you keep tracing them further back. The only thing I guess we can do is appreciate that the film managed to make us at least connect to wanting to go back and find out our stories.
Yeah, for sure.
Which we had not.
No, but this was very interesting. I would like to know more. Like, I mean, if our viewers, if they also have their own partition stories of their grandparents and families, like, please share.
There are, I think we should also Google, because in terms of interesting books, I think there is one Aanchal Agarwal's book. There is, I think Remnants of a Separation is the name of that book. then India after Gandhi, etc. हम कहीं books पढ़ी हैं, but I think there is so much
मैंने काफी
written.
नहीं पढ़ी, and for me, like, this is my initiation
Yeah, so
to this whole process, and I feel it can be for you also, and that's what will bring us culturally closer. And
so if you all actually have stories or books that you've read which you would like to recommend to us, also please leave in the comments, because we've also read X amount,
Yeah.
not much.
yeah,
So we would also like to get more information about this. It'll be interesting. Maybe we can
I
genuinely
mean,
read them
of course,
together.
it helps me understand myself better. It helps me, and I'm sure this is our identities are connected so much to everything that
Correct.
have happened like before in the previous generations.
Yeah.
We are the product of everything that they have gone through. I don't know if I've shared this story, but when I was like a 2-year-old girl and we had gone to Gurdwara and on Diwali, and by mistake my mama left my hand and मैं walk करते करते गुरुद्वारे के बाहर चली गई. So like for 15 minutes I was displaced, right, from my parents. And then
No,
someone
displacement is a different
अरे
concept.
नहीं, what I'm saying is मैं घूम गई थी for 5 minutes.
Agreed.
Someone else came. What I'm saying is that event has had some or the other impact on, let's say, my psychology today.
Yes.
So what I am saying is that if that 2-minute incident of separation can maybe or maybe not lead to the creation of the human that I am today, I can't even imagine. Is what I'm trying to say.
Sure.
For someone to be displaced not just from their families, from their countries, from their entire identity, and from मैं imagine ही नहीं कर सकती.
Correct.
That is what I was trying to say.
Fair. Valid. Thoda heavy episode.
Yeah, I'm feeling very heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm wanting to now. Okay, stop.
Okay. Let us stop.
Yeah.
Send us your book recommendations. Send us film recommendations. Some
And
to I
talk
will
to
also give you.
your grandparents if they are still around.
Yeah.
Maybe they are also storing a lot of grief that they have not processed. I don't know. And
I'm pretty
talking
sure.
always helps. Venting always helps.
जो वही तो हम बोल रहे हैं ना कि उस टाइम पे तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं होते थे ना मेंटल हेल्थ वगैरह के. तो
Yeah.
how have they endured?
Yeah, I don't know.
How
Yeah,
have they
correct.
endured? Okay. See you. Bye.